How to reset Instagram password. Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to reset your Instagram password. If you've forgotten your Instagram password or simply want to change it, the process is very simple and can be done in just a few steps. First, you'll need to open the Instagram app on your smartphone or navigate to the Instagram website on your computer. Next, click the Login button and then click the Forgot Password link. On the next screen, enter the username or phone number associated with your account, and then click the Submit button. Instagram will now send you a password reset link either to your email address or your registered phone number. Simply follow the instructions in the email or text message to reset your password. If you no longer have access to the email address or phone number associated with your account, you can still reset your password. Simply click the I Need More Help link and follow the instructions to verify your identity. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily reset your Instagram password and get back to sharing your moments with your friends and followers.